Unboxing a Lenovo laptop. This is the IdeaPad 3. Yeah, this is a Celeron machine, so it's got a this is the N4020. Yeah, it's got 8 gig RAM and everything like. Let's just see what's on the sticker here. Okay, let's check it out. There you go. It says storage SSD 256 gigs, 8 gig RAM, 15-inch screen. So this is a 2-cell battery. The batteries are getting smaller and smaller on the Celerons. So, but this is a truly entry-level kind of a laptop. And let's just see how the quality and the look is of the Lenovo. Let's get this open. There we go. I'm just going to pull it out. This one is I think a midnight blue. So that's what you get in the box. You get these little booklets and obviously your charger. Let's just see. Okay. That's everything. Let's quickly check out the charger. It's got the same brick as all the others. This is just a little normal Lenovo charger. This one is actually, let's just see, 45 watt. So it's 20 volts, 2.25 amps, 45 watts. Mostly we'll be running the machine off this in any case, but it's nice to have a battery option. Get the machine out. Oh, it's very lightweight. So I'm having no trouble holding it just like this. Yo, this is extremely nice finish. I'm actually very impressed with this look. The midnight blue is really something that's gonna, if blue's your color, this is really you're gonna love this. Let's quickly see on the sides. There you've got your card reader, you've got your audio and a little reset button. On the bottom there's just a little bit of cooling. One solid plate at the bottom. The back there's nothing, and on the other side you've got HDMI. At least this machine has also got no network port, but you've got your charging, HDMI, and then I think this is a USB 2 and then 2 USB 3s. There's a little light that'll show you when the machine or the laptop is switched on. Alright, so let's open up the machine and see what we've got. Again, the layout of the machine is very nice. This has got a little security feature here for the camera, so you can open and close the camera lens. You've got a matte screen, so you haven't got that gloss screen. You can't even almost not see me. Very nice Lenovo branding over here. On the side, it's the same thing on the inside. So you've got your Lenovo branding there, and when you open it up, same thing, Lenovo. I like that. It looks neat, and it's not too much. Yeah, there you go. It says privacy shutter. This one's got Dolby audio. I think all of them has got that. Stylish design. Yeah, it does have a stylish design. So the mousepad and the keyboard and everything is like integrated into the top panel. I don't think this keyboard is replaceable without replacing this whole thing if you have a oopsie. This has got a full keyboard because it's a 15-inch. It's got a nice light there on the numlock and a nice little light on your caps lock. Okay, alright, so let's quickly see if it'll switch on. Normally not. This one again, it needs to be charged before it will switch on. So let me get the charger connected. Alright, so I've plugged in the charger into the mains, and this is now plugging it into the side. It's got a little light here. There you go. It's orange. It's where it says it's charging at the moment. And let's see if it'll switch on now. Yeah, we've got a little light even on the power button. So there's lots of you know, communication from the machine, showing you, yes, the num lock is on, or yes, the caps lock is on, or the power is on. So this is nice. In these days, you get so little feedback from the machines. This is just good.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows Control at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, so the sounds good.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
Yeah, we will.
Please don't turn off your device.
No, we want it to be finished, so we won't turn it off. Sorry,
Still setting things up.
my voice is being interrupted by this Cortana voice. But what I wanted to say is, I hope you guys like my new angle.
Thanks for your patience.
My camera is now attached to an Elgato
Please don't turn off your device.
spindle stand.
Your computer will restart before you continue.
Jeez, this thing can talk a lot. Alright, so I quickly went to a YouTube video. This is just unboxing of a Logitech speaker system. So let's quickly see if I switch off the light. That's screen quality. I'm gonna dim it. Just dim it all the way. Oh, not all the way. But yeah, that's the dimmest. And then you've got a lot of, you know, it's got a lot of brightness. So let's quickly play this and listen to the sound.
Still not.
Sounds good. You'll definitely have much more sound than you need just for personal use. Yeah, I'm just really saying a lot of times again. Damn it. I just say all the time. Okay. Ach nee. Okay. So this machine is unboxed. Let's put on the lights again. Then let's shut it down because I'm done with this unboxing. This is a nice machine. I'm happy with it. Nice and sturdy build. These hinges, you have to be careful with them. The best thing is to just work nicely with the machine and not hammering the thing all the time, and it'll last you a long time. So let's just click shut down, and that is the unboxing of this 4020 Celeron Lenovo laptop. Thanks for watching. The keyboard does feel very good. It's a basic Lenovo keyboard, and it doesn't have a lot of click sound or anything like that. I'm sure if you're gonna be typing on this in a meeting or whatever, it won't even be disturbing then. But that's for you to decide. Thanks for watching.